When I went out this morning, I felt a very strong scent of these flowers. It's a wonderful scent. I call them avatar flowers because the flowers actually look like these little spirits in the film Avatar. Anyway, this season in the Gambia has been very much about birds when it comes to art. So I had a few classes where we painted birds, and I still have one to go that I hope I'm gonna host. And I did a couple of other classes, one where we painted cats and another private course where we drew faces. But other than that, it's been a lot about birds. And as you can see, I mean, I have all the inspiration in the world just looking out into my garden. So that is really amazing place to be. And also, I was very privileged to have one of my classes up at my friend Lisa's place, because we have like a fantastic sea view, lots of space, and there was a whole bunch of new people that joined in, so that was very fun.
Around the sea.
Yeah. Okay.
Reminding you.
Wow. Oh, super beautiful. Woo!
I like to have a blue place.
Yeah. Definitely. Oh, it was good color choice now. Excellent. Oh, wow. It's amazing. And here we have someone pulling the tape. Oh, we have to. Here I'm sitting with my fantastic students, and look at the work they've done today. Oh, look at the birds, all so different. It's incredible. I'm amazed every time. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, all of you. Right now, I'm all into making these little cards of tropical fish. I use a lot of methods, actually, different methods to create my tropical fish. I have used the technique negative painting, which is a technique I use a lot, and I've also made them sort of like as collage, where I actually glue the whole fish into the background painting. And this time I've used stamping technique, like a double stamping technique actually. And yeah, it's just so nice to make these small little paintings. As much as I try to paint bigger, because this is actually what I want, I sort of fall back into making these small little paintings. So I took two watercolor papers of the larger size I have, and I cut each into 4 small pieces. So these would be 13 by 15 centimeters. I just found it to be like a nice good size. I can make it into, put it on like a folded card, and then turn it into a gift card that can be standing like this, you know, if you make the folded card going this way, which is nice, or they could just be framed. And I've created them out of a fish stamp that I created from Fun Foam, this spongy foam sheet which has an adhesive background. And I used the same stamp to make all the fish at the same time. So and I just made variations to the background, as you can see here, and then different colors for the fish themselves, and then of course I do a little bit of different decoration on them, so I vary them a bit, you know, so they're not exactly the same. I particularly like this one that has kind of green corals here, and I like how the combination of the kind of greenish fish against the blue background here. And here is the next one. I haven't finished this one, but you see I've used other type of decorations, and I'm gonna finish this off. Over here I have a lot of different collage papers that I made the other day before I started. I didn't really plan to use them for this project, you know, they are just there to be used for any type of project, really. They're so different, all of them. You can see here, this one I've used on one. And yeah, so my plan is actually to make a video of how I created these collage papers too. So you'll be able to see that later on. And I think one reason is that I use, like, I have all these, see, all these different pens. So I have the Posca pen, which is acrylic pen. Jelly Roll here is an opaque white pen that you can write or draw a line, a white line on top of dark, and this is just like a very thin ink pen. So I don't know, if it wasn't for these pens, you know, if I were to use only acrylic paints out of a tube and paintbrush, even a very small paintbrush, I don't know if I would be into making these small paintings the same way, because I think, you know, with these pens you can get very small dots and details, fine lines, and yeah. Yeah, it's nice mixed media, and you can use anything really you want in the background. Yeah, so that's my new addiction for the day, for the week, maybe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.